Hi everybody, this is GeoPivot, and this is our tool which we help oil and gas companies to easily pivot to geothermal renewable resource.
This is the landing page that you start on, so you can press start your free assessment, and from here you upload your company info. You can paste as much as you want, any PDFs or anything, or just text files. You can put in your name so we know who we're talking to, your budget of how much you want to spend, your timeline of how long you're going to take to pivot, and then how much risk you want to have, if you're conservative or aggressive on it. For the demo, we're going to click Try Demo. We already have an uploaded file of a company. And then from here, you can select one of the 5 sites that we have data on. Let's choose the Salton Sea site, because that's the main one. And you run analysis, and from here, it will give you a score out of 100. And is based on 4 factors: a readiness score, economics, policy, and then a seismic score. Readiness and economics are based on your company themselves, about your budget, and just about you, about what technology you already have. And the policy is also like your market, about what's happening in the government and everything else. And then seismic activity is just the data of what's happening in that area and the risk and everything. And then we have multiple pages and graphs. You can compare the different sites, the quality of resources along with risk of it, the distance from a fault, which means that you will have a higher risk of something bad happening. And then we also have this page where you're able to move around and see where you are, see where everything is, opportunities and risks. And then the big thing is a regulatory roadmap. Everything in this industry is based on permits and documentation, and it's really easy now for the company to see what they have to do. It's just a quick copy and paste for a majority of the stuff, along with a step-by-step of what you can do next and an executive summary.
And there's also another page for data analytics where basically we load the profile from the company we just used, and we can pretty much adjust the weights for this company. Like, we can adjust the readiness score, and we can adjust the economic score, and this essentially simulates what the overall results could be for that company for different sites, and also compares all these different sites. So as we see right now, the highest recommendation is for the Heber geothermal field, but there's comparison with like all these different sites, and so that's our project, and that's our tool. Thank you.